So firstly, the pre-audit planning and engagement. This is defining the goals, looking at the scope of the audit and the scope of the facility, collecting basic energy bills and operational data, understanding exactly why an energy audit is being performed and what are the outcomes that are expected. Secondly, we move into the data collection phase, which involves going through the site, collecting data, maybe installing data loggers or meters and sensors, and leaving that for a time and then going back and collecting that data, analysing the processes, gathering granular system data, and really trying to understand exactly how energy flows through the facility. Then there's the detailed analysis where you're developing a comprehensive energy use breakdown. You're quantifying wastage and you're mapping the different processes to understand how energy flows and where wastage happens. And then when you move into identifying opportunities, you identify what wastage is practical to eliminate. Now, there'll always be wastage. It's not always practical to eliminate all of it. And then you're going to be focusing on systems that are inherently wasteful, such as steam and compressed air. You'll be looking for opportunities to improve control, and you'll look at how operational changes, maintenance changes, and capital investments can plug these losses. Recommended upgrades could include things such as leakage reduction, lighting upgrades, motor drive improvements, thermal insulation, changing some processes themselves, how stuff actually happens. So that's the process redesign, debt recovery. These are to name just a few of the investments that may happen. And then there's a reporting on the results and an investment analysis, what makes sense financially. It involves developing a comprehensive energy audit report with prioritised actions, paybacks, and risk analysis tailored for the financial decision makers such as the chief financial officer, which is kind of the hallmark of the investment grade energy audit. Is it's really focused on coming up with a business case that can really be trusted and speaks the language of the decision makers in terms of those who will choose to invest. And then, really importantly, is the implementation and ongoing verification following the energy audit. Perhaps this might involve helping assist with project manage upgrades, tracking progress, validating savings by undertaking measurement and verification, and checking the savings against the projected savings.